Hello and welcome to Victor Shamaki. Today I'm going to briefly show you one of the things I have encountered with the new CAC dashboard. Yeah, I did a registration on my own account. As usual, from the previous dashboard, you can register as many people from your own dashboard. But when I do the same thing here, let's go into the portal so that you see what I'm saying. When I do the same thing here, you see this name I register. Now, this very name, this Face of Elegance Beauty Pageant. Let me copy this availability code. Alright, so after name reservation, you go to registration, right? Now, on registration, new registration. So, though I already have it, but let's paste the availability code and click on continue. So for me to be able to continue filing, right? All right. So you see everything is here when the business starts and all of that. So now I click on continue. Now this is where the issue is. If you look here, the name here is the name of the account. That is my details. And there is no room for me to change and set for the person to which I am registering for, because this is not my business name. I'm trying to register for a client. Now I have done quite a number of things, but this is the solution that I got. So all that you need to do in order to solve this issue is to come under the name, and then you on this action you come down here and you click delete availability code. So you say, are you sure you want to delete this availability code? Yes, I am sure. Now once this availability code is deleted, it will take 24 hours for you to be able to reserve this same name. So I have done that with several of the other accounts and it has been successful. So I decided to leave this one out so that I can explain to you. So once the name becomes available, I'm going to come back and we're going to continue this whole process before I will upload the video. So it's going to take 24 hours. Today being the 15th of August 2025. So I will come back after 24 hours and then we will look at how to go about the next one. But basically, this is the solution. After 24 hours, you will come back and you'll be able to reserve that name. But mind you, watch the video to the end so that I will explain to you what you need to do. It's exactly 24 hours, today being 16th of August 2025. So we are back to complete the solution to what we had yesterday. So we'll be reserving a new name this time around in the account of the client. All right, so we are using the client account, no longer my own account, as we had from the first version of this video. So we'll just go to name reservation, new name reservation, then under name we go to business name because it's a business name, and then we go to sole proprietorship and we'll click on continue. Just fill up this form again. So continue, and they're asking for the name of the business. I'll just paste it. This was the name that we deleted the availability code yesterday. Yeah. So and then here we're going to go for arts, entertainment, and recreation because there's modeling services at the very tail end here. There's modeling services. Here is it, modeling services. So check for availability. So they say congratulations, the proposed name is available for registration. So click on continue, and you can see that the name has been approved. Now all we need to do is to continue to payment, make payment, and continue with other registration. So at least to some extent, this is better than the old one that you have to wait for 60 days before you proceed with reserving that same name. But now all you need to do is to delete the availability code, and after 24 hours you get to start another process of it again. So this is a faster, and this is a kudos. This, I would say, this is kudos to CAC. And that's a wrap from me. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.